Hey, welcome to the complete HTML practical course. In this video, I'm going to cover the following title over here. And HTML, the class attribute. Class attribute is used, and it's so useful. It's very useful, and it is used in the CSS a lot more than HTML. So with HTML, you can get the you just tell the element class and you name it, for example, title. And in the CSS, by this class you can access this element and tell the styles. This is the class. We will learn a lot in the CSS a lot more. So the next one is iframe. Iframe is a frame set that's used to show another web page within a web page. For example, iframe here I say the source. In the source you can type the URL. For example, when I type the here http www.google.com, the google.com will appear in this iframe. For example, I want to work in this locally. I have a local website, and that is a localhost. I say gardz.com. I save it. I open Chrome, and let's see, this is a website. So let's manipulate the width and height of this by style. You can use, and you can tell with width. For example, width should be 600 pixel, and height, for example, 800. This is our website. So this is another website which I'll load it in the iframe. So how to remove the border of the iframe? It has a border, as you can see in here. So you can just say the border property, and border is 0. So border, it don't work. So let's use CSS style and say border none. Refresh. As you can see here now, it don't have border. So the next one is HTML entities. Special characters must replaced by entities in HTML. Here, when I type something like, for example, imagine that I have a coding tutorial website, and in here I type the title, welcome to HTML and learning, and here I type some HTML code, for example span, and here I say this is a span. When I refresh the browser, the code doesn't display. The browser don't display the code, but I want to display them. So here how? Just this is the less than character. You can type the name of this and LT colon. This is LT means less than, and this is the greater than, and GT means greater than, and this is as well. You can type the number for this, and for example hashtag, and here say 16, and this is slash, and this is slash also have a special an entity's name, and here you can say slash, and this is the greater than GT. Let's see in the browser. So slash is not, so slash have not an entity. Now the span code will appear like this. You can find all the HTML and a lot about the HTML in a website called www.w3schools.com. Here's on the HTML page, HTML learning, you can find a lot about the entities. So The next one is non-breaking space. As you know, when I type the space like this, I type the space and we refresh it, browser doesn't consider on the space. So what is the solution? You just need to say non-breaking space, NBSP, and I copy this and I paste it like this, and as you can see, now browser consider on the spaces. We'll add some spaces. So this is for this video. Thank you very much, guys. You can go to this website, www.w3schools.com, and this is a great website for learning HTML. So you can it's the best resource. Happy coding.